In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own branded email address with Squarespace. So that means an email address on your own business domain. So it just so happens that I don't have one for omariharibin.com. So I'm going to create one now by going to settings in Squarespace and then domains and email. And then I'm going to go to Google Workspace. And from here, I can select a plan, and I just need the simplest or the business starter plan here. And so I'm gonna create, let's say, what should my email be? Omari@omariharibin.com, I guess, just in case there's anyone else who I need to add to my domain. So yeah, this is going to be my email, and I can just, fill this in. Okay, now it just so turns out that Google Workspace is free for the first year, so that's cool. So I'm going to confirm this, and now I will have my own email on my domain. Okay, so it says my registration is processing, and I'll be notified by email when the registration is complete. So I will see what the next step is. Okay, so I got a link in my email along with a temporary temporary password. So I'm going to use that temporary password and log in to my new account. I understand the terms. Okay, next I got an email to log into my Google Workspace admin account. So it looks like here I need to verify my domain. So let me do that. And okay, I'm happy I'm here too. Thank you. Let's activate that. Okay, so protect your domain. Show that you own this domain. Okay. Create new users. I don't need any new users, so I can skip for now. It says Gmail is activated, so let's send a test email. Say, oh, I can't change that. Okay. And that's it. So let's check out the email. All right, so here's my test email, and I'm all set. So you can hit me up, Omari@omariharibin.com. Peace.